Here at IBC, we brought our D4 presentation switcher and scaler product. It's got 4K end-to-end on it, full colour space capabilities, and also supports the HDR standard, which is this is important for the broadcast or people involved in that kind of market to understand really is there HDR there, and should they be using it. With 4K displays, delivery of 4K content is obviously critical, but in the broadcast market, the signals can be of all different types. So bringing together SDI signals, we're seeing a lot of interest for 12G SDI, but as 4x3G SDI, and then we can bring that together in the video processor and output to downstream devices, digital video signals like HDMI2 and DisplayPort 1.2. Here at IBC, we're showing our Subito LED control system. What's unique about what we're doing with LED control is we're making it an integral and end-to-end part of the video display system. So for those people who are familiar with LED solutions, you'll know you'd have to have a separate LED control system box. With Subito from RGBlink, that's now integrated into the video processor totally, so this is less connections, more native connections between the content and the displays, and a single place to do management, which is important as LED becomes more common across all sorts of spaces, and including corporate meeting spaces where they're now using LED displays in place of perhaps other displays. We're seeing this as an important part of making this technology, being LED displays, more accessible to a broader range of people, both from an installation perspective where it needs to be simpler and more integrated, but also for the user perspective where it's one less button to push, let's say. You can bring it all together and have this kind of seamless control that people expect today. Yeah, Subito by RGBlink, our LED control system, really follows through with many of the processes and systems that we put in place in our products. We're kind of like the glue that brings together whatever sources you have, and the displays of all different types. Of course, LED is just one of those, but whether you're working with LED or projection or LCD, and whether you're working in broadcast or indeed in corporate AV environments, RGBlink is what helps you bring together those solutions.